Hi everyone, welcome to English class. Now, today I please all of you review the child page 57. Do you remember the way to read 4 new words? Okay, please all of you listen again to remember.
Learn the sound. Learn new words. School, school, school. Food, food, food. Pool, pool, pool. Stool, stool, stool.
Okay, we just reviewed. And now, please all of you go to the new lesson of today. Lesson I R. Learn the sound, learn new words. Learn to listen, page 51. Learn is wrong. You have to have letter N here. Sorry. Now, please all of you look at lesson my health. Learn the sound, learn new words. Please all of you listen. Are you ready to listen?
Learn the sound. Learn
Please.
new words. Bird, bird, bird. Thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Skirt, skirt, skirt.
Okay, listen one more.
Learn the sound. Learn new words. Bird, bird, bird. Thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Skirt, skirt, skirt.
Yes, last one.
Learn the sound. Learn new words. Bird, bird, bird.
Now, bird, bird, bird.
Thirsty, thirsty, thirsty.
Now, thirsty, thirsty, thirsty.
Dirty, dirty, dirty.
Now, dirty, dirty, dirty.
Skirt, skirt, skirt.
Skirt. And now you listen and read again. Bird, thirsty, dirty, skirt, bird, thirsty, dirty, skirt. Please all of you listen and read more and more at home. Now, go to learn to listen. Please all of you listen chapter 44. Are you ready? Please.
Learn to listen. It's Tuesday. I'm at home. I can't go to school because I am sick. I must stay in bed. I've got a cold. I must sleep and drink a lot. I mustn't run or play.
Now, listen one more.
Learn to listen. It's Tuesday. I'm at home. I can't go to school because I am sick. I must stay in bed. I've got a cold. I must sleep and drink a lot. I mustn't run or play.
Please listen.
To listen. It's Tuesday. I'm at home. I can't go to school because I am sick. I must stay in bed. I've got a cold. I must sleep and drink a lot. I mustn't run or play.
Okay, and listen me and we follow. It's Tuesday. I am at home. I can't go to school because I am sick. I must stay in bed. I've got a cold. I must live and drink a lot. I mustn't run or play. In this passage, what day is it today? It's Tuesday. Where? Where is the boy? And the boy say, I am at home. That means the boy is at home. The boy say, I can't go to school because I am sick. Okay, he say he can go to school because he is sick. And he say continue. I must stay in bed. I've got a cold. That means he must stay in bed. He has got a cold. I must live and drink a lot and mustn't run or play. That means he must live and drink a lot. He mustn't run away or play. He mustn't run or play. You read this passage more and more to read fluently and understand clearly. You can record and send to me. Các em có thể đọc tất cả những từ ở trang 61 này, gồm phần learn the sound and learn to listen, ghi âm ở Zalo và gửi qua cho thầy nhé. And now I have to say goodbye. See you later.